Kicking off the opening of the 2020 Chicago Auto Show this weekend, Mopar introduced a customized version of its new limited edition 2020 Jeep Wrangler JPP 20, featuring a wide array of Jeep performance parts targeted to the off-road enthusiast. The new limited edition Jeep Wrangler JPP 20 is a check-all-boxes off-road vehicle for enthusiasts. The Jeep JPP 20 is loaded with the brand's iconic rock crawler with factory-backed and quality-tested authentic Jeep performance parts specifically designed and engineered to tackle the toughest conditions.
So we just announced this morning, the JPP 20 Wrangler. Very exciting project for Mopar and Jeep Performance Parts. It's our first JPP branded buzz model. And it really is a execution of a model that customers can get for maximum off-road performance. Well, Chicago's always been a great venue for us. We've had, we love talking to the media every Friday. We've had the breakfast, right? We always bring something new to the Chicago show. So we've focused on trucks the last couple of years, and we thought it was time to do something special for Jeep in 2020. Sure. Well, we were really excited for the addition of the Gladiator to our portfolio. We saw it as an opportunity to really focus on that off-road element, but then also it brings us that truck side. Jeep and Ram are our biggest brands in terms of accessorization. So we expected big things from the Gladiator, and we've certainly been seeing it. I mean, there's just so much opportunity. There's so much functionally that people can like to do with their Gladiators, and so we think that it's our job, Mopar Jeep Performance Parts, to be able to give them the tools, the components to be able to really make that vehicle a perfect fit for their life, whatever that may be.
We're going to focus on one thing only today, and we're going to talk about our accessories and our performance parts. And it's a big thing, and it's a big deal, because when you look at the industry, it's a $46 billion industry in North America alone. Our approach to the accessories business is focused on what we do, and that's a focus on the customer. Coming up with the needs and the advantages that are for the customer, and then to create those advantages in the products and the offerings that we come up with. Is that Mopar Accessories are quality tested, they are designed by the same team that develops and creates the vehicles, and lastly, they're factory backed. The second thing of importance is that Mopar Accessories have exact fit, finish, and function. And the third thing that you looked as being a key difference and advantage that we provide to the customer is the fact that we go through a very stringent quality testing and validation process. About 8 years ago, we started with a little bit of a different approach with Jeep brand, and that was to come up with a line of products which we now call Jeep Performance Parts. And that was designed to have exact parts that off-roaders were looking for, to cater to them and create those type of accessories that those customers are looking for. In North America, we have 14 Mopar custom shops. Those custom shops are installing accessories every single day, so when the vehicles reach the dealerships, the accessories are already installed. Those custom shops last year in 2019 processed more than 440,000 vehicles with an accessory.